What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I removed the castings, so I have to add more paper and material. I was going to do a quick check-in. This is where we put all the worms. Oh, something went running. It's pretty cool. The worms are inside the paper there. So there's the last little bit of carrot tops. So let's give this a good flip. Okay, put a nice little pocket there. Drop those in there. I have some lettuce and a little bit more carrot tops. I went crazy, harvested both of my carrot 10-gallon grow bags, so I have a ton of carrot tops. That'll get added, and then I'll cover this up and then add the new paper in. So yeah, so the lettuce was in the freezer, the carrot tops were in the freezer. And they released a little water, so from freezing. So I'm going to actually use that to dump onto the dry paper. I'll have a little lettuce in there too. Let me grab my grit. So there was the sand. The eggshell. My coffee filter to let me know where the feeding was. So adding the grit, the sand, and the eggshells to this whole portion. And I probably will need to add some extra water. But I'll just toss this around first a little bit. Okay. So what's pretty neat is with having everything to the one side, half of this bed is all brand new bedding, but I was able to add some of the old bedding and castings to it to help start to inoculate it. I got a little grit added in there. I got some of the juices from the lettuce added in there, so hopefully the bacteria can start growing. We got the feeding over here. And then for the next one, I'll come over to this side to start getting the worms to migrate on through. And then we can kind of flip back and forth to let them travel the bin. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.